Erta, Mama, show your hair. Where's your hair? Come here, hair. Look at your hair. Show Mama your Easter eggs. Easter eggs.
Well,
show
what
Mama.
did you call to tell me? What did you call to tell me?
Oh, nothing. I'll just talk to you later. Hold on a second. Hi, what's that? Show Mama, what is it? Eggs? Easter basket?
Or your animal basket.
And what happened to your hair? Show Mama my hair.
How many
What did
ponytails
you do?
do you have? You have 4 ponytails.
Who did that? Who did that?
Miss Kay.
Miss Kay?
Yeah, so look, Daddy, he has an orange egg, and what's inside? Orange jelly beans. So they match their colors today. The only one that doesn't match is green.
Did you look for eggs in school?
No, they just match. So yellow jelly beans inside of a yellow egg. Okay, BJ,